Right, there's one thing that nobody told me about learning to ride a motorbike, right? That I've never from anybody, and I've just realised now. I've been riding now for nearly a week, and it's the idea that you just don't want to drive your car anymore. I've just got up extra early this morning to make sure I can get to the gym before work, so I can take my bike to work instead of taking my car. For no reason, except for the fact that I just want to ride my bike and I don't want to drive my car. Anyone else get this feeling?